Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by parking in a depot or designated spot and securing the bus. This prevents unexpected movement while you clean. Once parked, open the vehicle menu and choose service, then clean to see costs and duration. Make sure you have the required in-game funds and any cleaning items like soap kits or pressure washer upgrades because they speed the process and improve results. If you lack items, consider a quick trip to the store. Otherwise, proceed to start cleaning immediately to save time. Once done with setup, begin the exterior routine. Rinse to loosen grime, apply soap, scrub stubborn spots, then rinse thoroughly. Follow the on-screen progress bar and prompts. Next, clean windows, mirrors, and lights using the microfiber tool or the dedicated command to avoid streaks that reduce visibility and passenger satisfaction. After exterior work, move inside. Sweep floors, empty trash bins, and wipe the dashboard. Make sure to use upholstery cleaner on seats so stains don't reappear during service. To finish, perform a final inspection. Review the cleanliness meter and passenger comfort stats so you know the results matter to fares. If something went wrong, streaks, lingering dirt, or incomplete tasks, rerun the specific wash or interior step rather than the whole process and replace worn cleaning tools or buy an upgrade to avoid repeat issues. Make sure you save progress, refuel if necessary, and only dispatch the bus when condition and comfort are optimal. This keeps reputation and income steady.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.